Guys, we need to talk. Ever since the great meme reset, everything's been going good, but now, ever since I've hit 286 subscribers, thank you by the way, my progress has been going low. So what I need you to do is like and subscribe. It'll really help me out. It just makes me distressed. I just really need some help right now. Guys, I would sacrifice my YouTube channel just so I could keep the channel running. Well, not to keep the channel running, just for you guys. It just makes me sad to the fact that it's just not fair. A lot of you guys, for those watching this, you might even have a lot of subscribers, even more than me. So, to those small creators out there, I know what you're going through.